Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker. I'm Dave. Thank you for tuning in. Today is going to be a different video. If this is your first time tuning in, I'm actually a reseller. I go to places like thrift stores, garage sales, yard sales, estate sales, find stuff and I resell on eBay. And I usually find a lot of shoes. And today, by viewers' request, I decided to do a how I box my shoes video. Now, of course, there's 3 different ways. Well, there's a bunch of different ways, but you got adult shoes, you got kid shoes, you got some in boxes, some without boxes. So I just wanted to kind of go over a couple ways I do it with priority boxes. Of course, you know, if you have shoe boxes, it's easy to do. You just put them together, put them in there. But if you want to mail them priority and you don't want to use your own boxes, then I found the way to do it. Now, I got this from Scoop 208 a while back. Of course, a lot of y'all know I'm a shoe head and I got a bunch of shoes. So I'm used to shipping shoes and buying shoes and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you a quick way of doing this. Well, I know you don't want to hear me talk the whole time, so I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Now, the boxes I use is, they got one called a shoe box. Let me see if I can show you that. Shoe box. A 1097 box and a 1095 box, and all of these you can get on the USPS.com website. Some of your priority or some of your postal services might have them. My post office doesn't carry these type, they only carry flat rate boxes. So if you get on there, you can get them free. All you gotta do is sign up and have them delivered to your house. You get them between 1 to 2 weeks, and boom, there you go, free boxes for you to ship in. Of course, you got to mail priority. So the first one I'm gonna go over is the regular shoe box. That's easy. If you have shoes, let me go ahead and take this up. If you have shoes, tape is too small. Tape is too small. It'll work. It'll work for the time being. If you have shoes without the box, these are perfect. A lot of people shop at these Goodwills and places like that. They never have boxes, so these are perfect for those. All I do is I take my shoes and I slide them in one at a time, just to make them look. You don't have to do this, but this is what I do. I slide them in the bag, slide them in there, seal them up, and I'm done. All right. I'm not gonna do the other shoe because you see me do the first shoe. So now I'm gonna go to this. The 1097 box is a little smaller than the 1095 box, as you can see. So I usually use this shoes for my kid shoes and my woman shoes. I don't have any boxes right now for the woman shoe because my wife throws all hers away. I keep all my boxes, you know what I'm saying? But I got this coin popper to simulate a GS shoe. All right, now to do this, all you need, you can use scissors, but I have my handy dandy tool that I got from my guy Lonnie. Lonnie's another reseller, and he sells these. He don't have any right now, he's out of stock, but this has, of course, the knife, and then on the other side it has the scoring thing. And that's what you're gonna need, because you're not actually gonna be cutting these boxes. You're just gonna manipulate them so they bend to the shape of your box. So you're not really cutting and doing all this crazy stuff. You're just folding it different. So let me show you how we do this. We don't need the knife because I got my tool. I'm gonna use this to simulate a woman's box, shoe box, and we're gonna do it with the 1097. So basically, all you do to make it easier for you, because we already proofed this out, there's 2 lines on each side of the box. There's 2 lines over here on this side, and if you flip it over, there's 2 lines on this side, okay? And these lines is where we're gonna line the box up every time. So if you see 2 lines on that side, that means that's where you line the box up at. So I'm gonna take my box and flip it over this way so you can see it. I'm gonna take my box, line it up. Let me move this one out the way so you won't get a all right, here we go. We're gonna line it up like that. The very edge of the box where the 2 lines is at. Make sure it's straight. Then we're gonna use our scoring screw, and what we're doing is we lightly, if you use the scissors, which most of y'all will probably have, you just lightly go down this box with it. Since I have my tool, I'm gonna lightly, then I'm gonna push up, make sure it's lined up, because you want to do that whole side of the box. Boom. And it should look something like that. I don't know if you can see that. Lightly. I'm not going through the box, I'm just lightly doing it. Then you flip it over and you do the same thing on the other side. Your 2 lines is over here. Line up. Take your tool or your scissors and go down the box. Line it up to the edge of this side. Go down the box. So now you got your line over here. You got your line over here. Next, what you want to do, you want to fold that line. All right, so I'm gonna go inside the box like this. It folded right below it, didn't it? Fold right here. Then I'm gonna go over this side. Fold right here. And that's what you should have. You see that? Now on the ends, you need to cut your flaps. So that's not cut. So each corner, take this. The corners is not cut right there. Go here. Oh, I need to sharpen my blade. Cut that way. That's already cut. This corner's not cut, so you want to go here. That's cut. These are your flaps. This is what's gonna help you close it up. That's already done. That's already done. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Let me interrupt real quick. As far as bending the boxes, cutting the boxes, things to that nature, don't take my word on it, but I'm told that you can do that to boxes that are not flat rate. You know, you got your small flat rate, your medium flat rate, your large flat rate. You got the flat rate envelopes, flat rate, you know, anything that says flat rate on, you can't cut and do all kinds of crazy stuff on it. That's what I'm told. I read that somewhere too. But don't listen to me. I'm not USPS. I've been doing this. I've been mailing shoes 10 plus years, longer than that. And I've been doing the same thing. As far as this, I've been doing at least 10 years. I've been doing the same thing. Never had any problems. Shoes always got to where they needed to get to. So I'm told that you can do whatever you want to do to the regular priority box. Well, not whatever you want to, but at least do what I do to the regular priority box, but not the flat rate. All right, so just wanted to tell you that real quick. Let's get back to it. Cut your flaps. Make sure I don't cut myself. Cut your flaps. Okay, so all my flaps are done. Now, closing up the box should be self-explanatory, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I don't want to get that question. Hey man, how you close up the box? Close it up. Now what I do, because on these you're gonna have, as you can see, you're gonna have a hole right there. You take a piece of cardboard, which I don't have right now. Anyway. You get the gist. Yes, sir. And you tape it up. So what I do is I tape it like that. You can use this too. It's already right there if you want to. But you still gotta do the other side. And what I usually do is I'll take a piece of cardboard on that side. And then look, boom. You take your GS box. Slide it right in there. Boom, boom, boom. Take another piece of cardboard and then you're done. And that's your box. Killing myself. Same thing with the 1095 box. Let me go ahead and do it. See if I can do it pretty quick for y'all. Line it up. Red stripes. Red lines, I mean. Boom. Boom. Other side. Red lines is on that side, so you line up right here, right? Boom. Boom. Got lines on both sides, right? Bend the box. Box is bent on that side. Go on that line, bend it. Get your box. Cut your straps. Strap over here. Don't need a cut right there. It should be 2 cuts on each side. Strap over there. There we go. Strap over there. That's cut. Strap over there. Everything's cut. Close it up. And this one usually closes right up to where you don't have to use any type of extra cordboard at all. So let's see. See, that's usually what I ship out as adults. So you get that, get some tape. Let me do this one first. Close it up like so. Another piece of tape. Close it up like so. Closed up. And I'm doing this fairly quick. I usually look a lot better than that for time purposes. Look at that. Boom. Slides right in there. Close it up. It's like a box. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Voila. You got a priority box cut up. And once you do this so many times, it's easy. It's just 2 lines, fold it up. It's quicker than putting together a regular box, right? So, yeah, man, that's how I ship my shoes. When I don't have a box, I usually have a lot of boxes. I buy a lot of shoes. What shoes are these? Just for giggles. Oh, Jordan 1s. I like these. I've been having these so long. I just picked up a box. I forgot I had these. Anyway, that's how I ship my shoes. Any questions? Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.